Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about these simple machines and some terms related to simple machines we're gonna discuss today. So there are some basic terms which are related to every simple machine. So these or every machine we can say these we are gonna discuss today. So I have collected some simple machines, and in between you have to observe also and then give the answer. So basically we're going to discuss about three main terms today. One is load, the another one is effort, and then third one is fulcrum. So what is load? So basically the weight to be lifted or moved, that is the force of overcome by machine, is called load. So basically if I go with the simple definition, the weight which we are going to lift is called load. Whereas effort is something which we apply to pick up or to lift the load. Okay. So for example, if I am picking up any of these things, let's say I am picking up this. So the load is this knife, and this effort I am applying to pick it up. So every time this is not like simple I am picking this. Sometimes we use simple machine to make it easier. So here you have to see which is the load and which is the effort and observe it. The third one is fulcrum. So fulcrum is basically a fixed point. Fulcrum is basically a fixed point about which the machine turns while doing mechanical work. Like let's take an example of sometimes we don't have anything in our home to open a tin box or something. So what we do, we apply a spoon and try to press it. So we try to press it, and when we press it, we try to rest that spoon at some place. That place where it is resting, that is called fulcrum. Basically fulcrum do another work also, that is changing the direction of force. That also, let's understand with a simple example of a lever or a seesaw you have seen in park. So these kind of machines you might have seen. Okay, so this is a simple machine you can use. Suppose I want to pick any of these and I don't want to pick directly because they are heavy. So what I'll do, I'll keep it over here and I'll try to move it up. Okay, so now let's take something which is more balanced. Now I'm going to pick it up. See, as you can see, I'm able to pick it up. In this case, this my hand where I'm doing work is effort, whereas this place is load. And the place on which this machine is resting, and also the machine turning while doing mechanical work, that is this fulcrum, this central part. This is not important every time. Fulcrum should be in the center. Basically the moving point or a turning point of a machine is a fulcrum. It may change from place to place, machine to machine. In this simple kind of lever we can say the load is this one, my hand, the effort is my hand, this is a load, whereas this is a fulcrum. So every time the availability of fulcrum, there should be a fulcrum. It's not important. Sometimes fulcrum is not there and sometimes it's there, especially when we want to change the direction of force applied. Suppose if you are pulling something from well, and it's very hard to pull from downward to upward, whereas if you use a pulley and you pull it downward, it's very easy. Okay, so there you need fulcrum, basically a point where the machine rotates moves by making that the base. So now let's take some other machine. Now as in this you understood, now you have to observe and tell me, okay, where is the load and where is the, if there is a fulcrum then you have to tell me fulcrum, or if there is no fulcrum, only effort is there, then you have to tell only load and effort. So let's see in this case. Suppose I want to cut something, I keep it like this and try to cut. In this case you have to observe and write where is load, where is effort, and where is fulcrum. So as you have understood, the fulcrum is this part on which the knife is rotating. I'm resting over here and rotating. Whereas load is effort is my hand, whereas load is this matchbox. Let's take some another examples. Let's take this screwdriver. If I take a screw, I have taken a screw, I put it in here and I try to rotate. This is tightening, this is loosening. So where is effort and where is load? Okay, so this where I am rotating is a load. No, this is the effort, whereas this nut is a load. Okay, because I am doing work from here, but I am applying effort. Every time I'm not, this is not important, every time you apply effort on the same place where is the load. That's why some simple machine come into picture and it helps us to do work easily. So in this case, the effort is over here, load is over here. So let's take one more, this kind of bolt opener, nut opener, whatever some people say. So what is the work of this? This goes like this in the nut and then I try to rotate like this. So you have to observe where is load and where is effort. So in this case, effort is in my hand, whereas load is over here at the other point. Let's take this scissor. I can try to cut something. So you have to see and tell where is load and where is effort. So let's take a part of this and try to cut it. Okay, in this case, the load is over here. Where the effort is over here, where is my hand. The load is where I am cutting it in the central part of this scissor, whereas fulcrum is over here. And you can observe this distance between my hand and fulcrum is very less. Let's take an example of like this, which is used to press something, this. Now in this case, load is over here, whereas effort again on my hand where I am applying force. But fulcrum is over here. You can even observe the distance between the hand and fulcrum this time is too long. Last example we are taking this bottle opener. So I don't have any bottle to open, but let's take my thumb and you have to observe. Now I put it like this and I just open it like this, a bottle or a cap of a bottle, cold drink or anything. So in this case, where is load, where is effort, and is there any fulcrum? So yes, over here where my hand is there, it's effort, whereas this bottle opening this place, over this place where the bottle cap is, the force is applied on bottle cap is effort, whereas the another part on which the bottle, on which this machine is resting or changing its direction is called this one, fulcrum. So in this case, fulcrum is at the last point.